Hello everyone. I hope all of you are safe and healthy. And this video is especially for all those who are going through the transition phase and are not very sure about what is happening in their life. Some are losing their jobs. Some are grieving because they have lost their closed ones. And pandemic, anyways, has taken lots of our. Uh, we already are in lots of fear and. We feel that we are clueless about what is going to happen in the future. So this is nothing about the pandemic though, but I couldn't come live. I'm not able to create some new write-ups for you. Also, I was wondering how could I just help people to know what exactly is going right now in this Mother Earth, and we need to be aware like what is also happening in our life. So this is just a small gesture from my side where I'm trying to guide you through my cards. And see, card reading is not astrological prediction. It is not something which basically you opt out of your healing modality. So it is nothing where you should just leave your medical kind of solution what you're taking right now and just depend on card reading. So there is nothing about such interpretations through these cards. बट डेफिनेटली ये कार्ड से आपको काफ़ी कुछ क्लियर होगा अगर आप भी क्लूलेस है और थोड़े समझ नहीं पा रहे. तो मैंने टाइम सेव करने के लिए ऑलरेडी कार्ड्स पुल कर लिए थे अपने डिफरेंट डिफरेंट डेक से. फर्स्ट चीज़ जो मैं रीड करना चाहूँगी आपके पास, दिस इज़ द बुद्धा कार्ड विच आई हैव with me. And ये बुद्धा card is no angel card, neither it is a tarot card. It is just a message card and I believe that जब आपको right time पे जो message चाहिए होता है उस समय अगर मैं pull करती हूँ तो मुझे अपने ये spiritual sense से पता चलता है कि क्या हमें ध्यान देना चाहिए. So this card says about mind, and it says that mind, worlds are also created. It is in our mind how we perceive things, how we take up things. So we have to take care of our mind right now because it is very important that we fill it with some positivity, hope, faith, trust. So I start my card reading with this card of Buddha, Lord Buddha. And let's switch over to the cards which I have pulled for you. And let me tell you, because I already interpreted the cards, I already read the cards. These cards are really wonderful cards which has come. And those who are listening and watching this video, I'm sure it was meant for you. So let's start with the first card. First three cards. These are the first three cards, and let me just bring it here in front of you so that you know. Okay, so these three cards, why I chose as the first card, because right now we all are going through transition period, and these cards says, if you can see, it is healing from the past, leaving, and grief work. So when I say it is a transition phase, believe me, it is a transition phase for most of us. The dimensions are changing, Mother Earth is healing. There are lots of things which is going behind the actual scene what we see, and that is why most of us are going through lots of emotional overwhelming period of time also. So don't worry, don't be scared, don't be afraid. I know you, most of us has lost our closed ones as well, but it is not related to this present scenario. It is also speaking about things which we have been carrying in our body, physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual space, which is not worthy, which should not be kept in our aura, so that we can move forward with confidence and absorb the greater energy which is coming from the universe. But before that we should know why we all are facing such situations during this transition phase, because it is a healing period. So there is a healing from the past means there may be lots of stuff which is coming from your inner child wound, or it may also come from your own relations in this present life. It can also come from your past life, different timelines, and maybe the vows which you have taken before you took this birth. So most of the time, most of the wounds, most of the emotional things we can easily solve by ourselves. We can face the emotions and then let it come on the surface and release it. And there are different modalities which can help you, like Reiki can help you in healing, EFT tapping can help you, switch words can help you, a kind of counselor can help you, past life regressor can help you. So in case if it is the intensity is too high, I would suggest that you should actually connect to somebody who can guide you on this healing. So the leaving card shows also that you should leave some toxic people in your life, you should leave some toxic situations from your life. Don't hold on it, don't have a control on it, and because if you keep controlling it, you might not be able to release it from your system. So it is a time that you leave all them on. Also it shows that when you are in this process, you're leaving certain situations, people, and conditioned mindset which is not working for you. So it is a good card, and I suggest people, those who try to control and does not let go certain past toxicity, they should work on it and they should release, so that there is a space where you can actually bring in new energy which the Mother Earth is going to share, or you will be able to absorb. So the grief work also has come in the transition phase, which shows, which basically validates for me personally, if you have a certain grief which you have in your mind and you have not yet faced that or surrendered to that grief and released it from your system, then it is a high time that you do that, because it is taking space which is not good for you, which is not healthy for you. So I can vouch for myself, because this is exactly what is happening in my life, and I'm really surprised that the cards are describing such situation, and those people, those who could connect, they might know that why these transition, why these overwhelming situation has come in your life. Right, let's now remove these cards, and next card which I would like to shift to is this career card, because lots of people are changing their career. Lots of people have lost their jobs, lots of people are talking about their life purpose, lots of people are seeking what they are meant to do. They are not very clear. For them it is like, this is a time when you should actually know what your life purpose is, probably not what you have studied. So, and what I can see right now is most of the people, due to this pandemic, the loss of their loved ones, they are shifting to become light workers. They feel that they should spread more light and love to people in whatever profession they are right now. They might be changing them soon for something which basically brings light in the world. So one of them is oracle cards, or you can say angel card, tarot card, like what I am doing right now. So most of the people are trying to get into this so that they can guide people who are low, who are not very happy right now, or are in a very stuck situations. So they might change their career. Some people, their sacral chakra might have been very active during this transition phase, and they have come to know that they are not meant for that 9 to 5 job, and they might be very good in some creative field. So it also shows that most of us would be living their normal day-to-day routine job, and will shift to what they enjoy, what their passion is. And light and love also shows that most of us would be becoming healers. Because Mother Earth really needs healers, and people, those who have a kind of compassion and they want to heal the world, they want to heal people, they want to heal everything, everybody who is low in energy, or they are very sympathetic and compassionate towards those people. So we need light workers. So most of us also would be shifting their career. So this is for career side, and now I would like to shift to this archangel deck, basically, which speaks about right now when we are going through these transitions, who are angels and archangels, those who are working with us. And if you want to really call them, invite them to know how to proceed. So let me start with yoga, because as you know, we all are lethargic and low in energy as of now. But Baba Ji, who guided Paramhans Yoganand Ji to teach yoga everywhere, the card comes and shows us that we have to move our body. It is very important that we create space in our body to absorb good energy. sitting and being lazy might become stagnant for us, and then we might not be able to absorb good energy. If you are not very much interested in different workouts or HIIT kind of trainings, then you should go for yoga, because yoga is really for body, mind, soul. It is not limited to the body. So it might help you, it might give you clarity, it might heal you. So do go for yoga. And Babaji is considered as a spiritual person who actually asked Paramhans Yoganand ji to teach yoga. So you can call him, and his power, his energy, you might be able to see while you practice yoga. Balance home and career also again speaks about some people are in a position where they have not given themselves priority. So they have been like only giving and helping people out, or maybe busy in their career, or maybe giving lots of energy in their home life but not thinking about themselves. So this is a time when you have to make yourself priority. Daily you can give yourself 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and think about what you want in your life, what is supposed to be done. So don't ignore yourself, and balance them so that you are happy, healthy and fine. And this is mother, wife, sister, daughter. And now let me tell you about this. See, this is very interesting card, which speaks about, if you're a male, if you're a man who is watching this, let me tell you that a lady is very important in your life right now. Whom you have to either connect to, seek forgiveness, or you have to play certain roles, which is basically inclusive of all these things. Also, it says that your feminine energy is not balanced. So either you have been giving a lot and not receiving, or you have been suppressing your emotions, which is not good. So cry or heal yourself by not suppressing your emotions, or you might have to come across a situation where you have to behave like this, or there must be a lady in your life whom you need to seek forgiveness or connect to. And for women, I would say that most of you seems to be only the giver, and you have not been receiving. So your feminine energy is not balanced. You need to balance that. And also I see some deceased lady is giving blessings to you. So if you can connect immediately with some lady who is no more in your life right now, she may be giving blessings to you. So primarily what I see is you have to balance your give and receiving part. You are not receiving, you're not asking for support, or you're not asking for help. So my suggestion would be like, please balance your give and receiving part, and also connect to a lady whom instantly while reading this, I'm saying about this card, you connect to. That lady might need you, or there is some kind of emotional something depth, I can say, with your mother or some lady in your family which you need to resolve. Now my favorite card, and that is miracle cards. So can we expect some miracle during this phase? Yes, absolutely. So the first card, this says about miracle, which is basically blessings, and it says that you will be blessed with luxury, you will be blessed with intelligence, wisdom, new work, health, and also you can, once you change your career, you would be taken, you will be welcomed a lot. So this card speaks about that, and it says that you're being blessed by the universe, you're being blessed by the God himself. Take these blessings for sure. So don't be lethargic, don't be lazy, and also accept it. So then to accept this, you need to create space. That is what the early cards said about it. This also says that most of the time what happens right now, anyways, the scenario is like that, but you think more about the problems rather than the solutions. So this is not the way. You have to be focused, you have to be very clear what exactly you want to resolve, what are your priorities, what do you want to do, what is your life purpose, and don't think and concentrate more about problem rather than problems. You should think about what exactly the solution could be. So think about that. And also it says that all these things, if if you really want to get the blessings, absolutely you have to be very focused. but what is stopping you is your lethargicness and your comfort zone. So most of the people, though it shows like a comfort zone of luxury, but it's not like that. I consider luxury also when you are fearful, when you are okay with the fearful thoughts of not trying out something new, or going out of your comfort zone, or explaining or some making strategy for something which might interest you, just because you are okay with the situation right now you are in. So I don't consider only luxury of materialistic, but definitely most of you are in your comfort zone. You don't want to move because you're happy with the emotions, with the thoughts that you have right now, and you are okay with the making excuses. You're okay with not moving out of your comfort zone. It could be not only materialistic, but can be anything else. So to in cash, or you can say, to enjoy the benefit of this transition, which is going to come to you soon, you need to work on your comfort zone. And the last cards are my healing cards, which is again guiding you on that. First of all, that with synchronizing with the cards which was there in the miracle card, if you could see, it was blessing, and then again it came as blessings. So those who are watching this video, I am damn sure you would be blessed soon. So if only you can keep positive thoughts in your mind, and you can move out of your comfort zone, and you start working on your priorities. Also, it says about Archangel Michael. So in this transition phase, Archangel Michael is actually helping you. He's protecting you. You can call him anytime you feel like, and there is no particular system and process. You should have a belief and faith and pure heart to call him, and this Archangel Michael is going to really help you in this transition phase. Lastly, I would like to tell you, most of you might say that, are you really going through healing process, or is there I want certain signs that this is for me. So let me tell you, when you sleep, there are lots of messages which is given to you in your dreams. If you are a person who remembers dreams and often try to interpret them, for you, I would say, please write it down in a journal and interpret it by yourself, by being silent and not getting influenced, and you will get to see your dreams might tell you lots of secrets which is hidden, and lots of secrets will come out. Lots of hidden truth will be coming out in front of you. So these cards are really, really good, and I hope it helps you, those who are feeling low and those who are very clueless about this transition phase. This is something which is guiding you beyond pandemic. I hope it helps you, and I hope it brings smiles on your face. Take care, stay safe, and stay happy.